Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set screen time limit for your kid's computer or your kid's account. So in order to do that, first you must have a Microsoft account. To log into your Microsoft account, type in account.microsoft.com. If you don't have one yet, you can create one. It's free. So now if you never log in before on on a computer, it's going to ask you for your email address and your password. So I'm going to restrict or set the screen time limits on one of my child's computer or credentials. So I'm going to set the limit for Manu Rios. I'm going to click on his account, and then I'm going to, as you can see here, you see the tab on the top. Make sure you just click on screen time, and it gives you the list of devices that this person logged in. So here's the options. Use one schedule for all the device. So this is recommended. The schedule here, max schedule, that means this person can play anytime. And if you want to turn it off after 8, you can just change the time. On Sunday, they can they can have screen time between, just say between 7:30 to 8:30. Here's the screen time schedule. You want to remove it, click on remove, click on add. It will take this settings. I'm going to click save. So that means this person on Sunday, he can only play between 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And you can do that for all Monday through Saturday as well. Just say on Monday, if he's doing homeschool, you can choose 8 a.m. to, let's let him play until, let him use the computer until 5:30. Click add. So you have to remove this first, then click add, and then save. So as you can see, Monday and Sunday, the schedule is different. And if you want to block this person from playing, you can choose max schedule and then choose the block options. Or you can choose 30 minutes or 1 hour. Let's say I want to give him 8 hours. So this person can only play 8 hours. So that's it. That's how you set screen time limits on your kids or anybody's account within the Microsoft account. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.